In today's video, we're going to look at combining if statements. This is also known as nesting in Excel. If you're not familiar with the if formula, I want to encourage you to go ahead and watch my video on using the if formula in Excel. And I'll go ahead and include that link in the description. If you haven't seen it, I would encourage you to go ahead and watch it just as reference. On my screen, I have a few imaginary clients. And what we're looking to do is to find out how much income tax is going to be assessed for our clients. There's going to be multiple levels because based upon your income, you're going to be taxed differently. We'll go ahead and start our if formula here. We're going to put our cursor here in C2. We'll go ahead and click insert function and we'll type in if. Click go. With if selected, we'll go ahead and click OK. And for our logical test, what we want to do is to have Excel look at our income. And the first step that we need to look for is this income greater than $9,500? So we'll go ahead and type that in. Now Excel is asking us, okay, if this is true, what would you like us to do? And so any income that's greater than the $9,500, and our first step is going to be assessed a 12% income tax. And so what we're going to do is have Excel calculate this for us. In here, we're going to go ahead and select B2, and it went ahead and keyed that in for me. You can also type this. You don't have to use your mouse. And what we want to do is key in multiply. And I'm going to do 0.12, but you could type in 12 and the percentage symbol, and we'll go ahead and do the same thing. And then I'm going to hit tab, and now Excel is asking us, what do you want us to put if it's not true? And for this, if you didn't make $9,500, then you're not assessed anything. So we're going to go ahead and put 0 in, and what we'll do is we'll click OK. Excel went ahead and noticed that that was true, and it went ahead and it found out our income tax. There's another step. Anybody who makes more than $38,000 is going to be assessed an income tax of 22%. It was great that Excel found this for us, but for Bobby, he made more money than this. We need Excel to take it to another level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this statement here, everything but the equal sign in my formula bar. I'm going to go ahead and hit Control X on my keyboard to cut that. And now with that cut, I'm going to go ahead and click Insert Function again. We'll go ahead and type in if, click Go. With that selected, we'll go ahead and click OK. What we're going to do is, before we begin typing anything, I'm actually going to go to the value if false section, and that's where I'm going to paste what I just cut in my formula bar. So Control V will paste that statement. So let's go back to our logical test here. This time, we're going to do logical test B2 again. This time, we're going to look for greater than $38,000, and we'll hit tab. Now, again, Excel is asking us, what do you want us to do if it's true? Well, if it's true, we're going to go ahead and click B2 multiplied by 0.22 or 22%, and then we're going to go ahead and click OK. And notice that Excel again went ahead and made a second calculation. But let's go ahead and nest it again, because anybody who makes more than $150,000 is going to go ahead and be assessed with a 32% tax. So let's go ahead and cut this statement again. I've copied everything but the equal sign. I'm going to go ahead and hit Control X on my keyboard. And we're going to go ahead and click that insert function button again. We'll type in if, even though it's already in the select function section. With that selected, we'll click OK. And we're going to go to our value if false. So we're going to go ahead and hit Control V again. Let's go back to our logical test. This time, we'll go ahead and type in a logical test of, is B2 greater than $150,000? If it's true, we want to go ahead and do B2 multiplied by 0.32, or you could do the 32%. And that false part's already been pasted. We'll go ahead and click OK. And notice that it kept the $9,900 as our income tax. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and use the drag fill to copy my formula down for the remaining clients. And notice it went ahead and each person's being assessed differently based upon their income.
Thank you for watching this video. My hope always as I create new content is that my viewers feel better able to carry out tasks in Microsoft. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you get a notification when I release my next video. Do you have a suggestion on a video that I should make? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you want me to create. That way I can better help you.